Good morning to one and all. Microorganism, or simply we can say as microbes, they are the small organism which cannot be seen through our naked eye, and these organism can be studied by a branch of science known as microbiology. So it is the study of microorganism which cannot be able to see through our naked eye. In order to see these organisms, we need an instrument known as microscope. Basic principle of microscope is that small objects can be seen as larger objects by a phenomenon known as magnification. Father of microscope and microbiology was known to be Antony van Leeuwenhoek. Example for microorganisms are bacteria, virus, fungi, protozoa and algae. Let's move on to the features of bacteria. We know microorganism can be seen only by means of a microscope. So the first feature of bacteria it is that microscopic organism. Before saying about the second feature of bacteria, let me tell you one thing, that organism can be either known as living body. So this organism or living body can be classified into two type of organism, that is mainly prokaryote and eukaryote. Example for eukaryote is human body. Human body is already made up of cells where cell organelles have double membranous structure, so they are known to be eukaryotes. And in the case of prokaryotes, they won't be having any double membranous structure and a true nucleus is absent for the prokaryotes. So because of this reason, bacteria is said to be as prokaryotes. As I have already said that human body is made up of different type of cell, but in the case of bacteria, they are having only a single cell. So they are termed to be as unicellular organism. And in the case of about their cell, it is a single cell structure. In the next video, we will be discussing about the cell and its cell structure. Basically, a cell contains nucleus and most probably nucleic acid will be there. So nucleic acid present inside the bacteria, it is RNA or can be DNA, or both can be present in the case of some bacteria. A single bacterial cell is being getting divided into two different cells by a simple process of binary fission. That is, the bacterial cell it is being multiplied or reproduced by a process known as binary fission. Some bacteria will be depending on to other organism in order to have food and shelter. Such an organism is said to be parasitic in nature. But some will be independent, so such an organism is said to be free living organism. Some bacteria will be saprophytic in nature, that is, mainly saprophytes are, they will be depending on to other organism which is mainly dead organism in order to have food and nourishment or energy. Basically, these microorganisms are seen inside soil, water, food, skin and intestine of human body. Purpose of having bacteria inside the soil is to make the soil fertile, and in the case of intestine it is mainly in order to break down the food particles which we eat. With this, we have learned what you mean by microbiology, microorganism, father of microbiology and microscope, 10 different features of bacteria. Hope you have understood the topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.